Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Simbi and thank you so much guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this passion twist using ebony kanekalon hair and darling ombre braid. There are two pieces in kanekalon fiber, so I'm going to cut it once, then I'm going to pull the edges to get rid of the blunt cut, and then I'm going to comb it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
I'm going to take a small portion of my fiber. It depends on the size that you want. If you want them to be tiny like how I want mine, you can take few braids. So if you want them to be big, you can also add more. And I'm going to brush them like that. Then I'm going to use this straw. They are not strong, so I'm going to use a chopstick inside to make it strong. Then I'm going to twist my hair on my straw like that. Just twist and turn and twist and turn and twist and turn until you finish the entire braids. By doing this, you're making spring twists, and then that spring twist is what we're going to use in making our passion twist. Secure with a bobby pin, then you can remove the chopstick and put it on the other side and continue twisting your hair around the straw.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
So when you're done wrapping your hair around, you can secure the ends with a bobby pin, then you can pull out the chopstick, and then you have it like that. And I've also done this one, so I'm going to put them in hot water. Just leave them in hot water for about a minute or two, then you can remove them, and then you can remove your spring twist from the straw while it's a little wet. Don't let it dry completely because it will have a lot of flyaways, so you can remove it while it's still wet, and this is how you have your spring twist. So moving on, next, dip your hair in water. Look at that, look how bouncy it is. Doing this, it will be easy for you to separate your hair without having any flyaways. Yeah, so just go to the lobe of your hair and separate it like that. Place your hair on your wool, and then you can start twisting lightly because we want it to be fluffy when we finish. If you twist it tight, it won't be fluffy. So you can twist it lightly, leaving some space so that when you finish, it will be fluffy and curly. So guys, you should know that when you're doing the spring twist, it's different from the normal twist. The normal twist, you twist it harder and it will be stronger, and this one you twist it with less force so that it will be fluffy and curly. So that's the difference between normal twist and spring twist. So twist until the ends, then you can twist them around your finger so that the curls blend in together with the other side, and leave it, and it will be like this. For the darling ombre ones, I did the spring twist off camera, so I'm going to show you how I make the passion twist. So just place your hair on your wool like that, then you can start twisting lightly, leaving some gaps so that when you leave it, it will be curly and fluffy.
Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with
So just continue twisting until the ends and twist around the curl like that to make them blend. So now I'm done with my passion twist. I'm just going to make my bundles, and there's going to be 15 strands on each bundle, and I'm going to have 5 bundles, so 15 strands for the ombre one, and then the other 4 bundles, they are for the black one, the kanekalon black one. So there are 75 strands in total, and it's enough to do the entire head. So guys, if you want to see how I install this, you can just subscribe and then turn on the notification bell. When I post the installation video, you can be notified. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends, to your family. Thank you so much for your support. See you in my next video. Goodbye.
Say what you wanna say to me now.